So this is my book. My word was luxury. Um, it's just mostly about exploration, artist research between the income inequality and the crazy gentrification in Los Angeles, especially downtown. That's sort of a slip that goes. It's not supposed to be bound. First, it's just page sort of an introduction to it. Um, Used a lot of transparencies and vellum to put the collaged images that I took around Los Angeles and used it in composition with the text and the type. And it's just more of sort of the introduction, more photos that I took, especially around MacArthur Park. Los Angeles has a lot of palm trees. This next part is a specific passage about a really fancy, exclusive club, sort of social club called Soho House that's coming in downtown Los Angeles. And so I thought it was very important and sort of framed the moral dilemma with the question mark on the transparency. The next is just sort of a visual interpretation of privilege and guilt, and using Twitter also as well as a privilege that we have. And it's more of sort of just an abstract visual representation of type on the page. The next is different kanji symbols for rich and poor, juxtaposed with collaged images that I took around my neighborhood and printed on black, which turned out really nicely. And continuing the sort of narrative about how crazy gentrified is getting. Some highlighted quotations towards the bottom. This picture series is from a ridiculous artisan craftsman shop near my house that literally has a homeless encampment outside of it. Me and Rebecca talked a lot about how the craftsman is getting aestheticized as the new way of luxury, the new image of luxury. And this is just my personal sort of writing about it, as long as the picture that I took downtown Los Angeles, and declaring the state of emergency on homelessness. And then to conclude, this is the picture of sort of this marble, quote unquote, charcuterie board that I made to present my book on, and also as an individual piece of visual art with a final passage about what this whole book is about, as well as what's under it. And that's it.